Hi, what's up everyone? In this video, we are going to talk about the theBest gas grill you can buy on Amazon. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. We all enjoy cooking, but cooking in a stand kitchen can get tedious. Grills are a terrific idea for adding some flavor to your food. Going out for a picnic with family and friends and cooking a delicious meal outside is one of the most enjoyable experiences one can have. Cooking using a gas barbecue is most romantic, and a gas grill are simple to use, but they can be pricey. So, we have compiled a list of the top 3 finest gas grill under $500. This list is based on my personal opinion and research, and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. On number 3, NOMADIQ. The NOMADIQ is a black gas barbecue with a small footprint. When it comes to gas grill, one of the most important considerations is portability. This gas grill is 14 inches by 16 inches by 5 inches and weighs approximately 12 pounds. Because of its size and weight, this gas barbecue is incredibly portable. It runs on propane gas and has a cooking surface area of 226 square inches. Small things have always been difficult to clean, but this gas grill is incredibly easy to clean thanks to its removable grilling grate and the fact that it is dishwasher safe. Pros of NOMADIQ: design is simple and elegant, large grilling area, temperature regulation on 2 levels. Cons of NOMADIQ: it's expensive and no cover. On number 2, Coleman Road Trip 285. If you're searching for a gas grill that's both good at cooking and easy to move, the Coleman Road Trip 285 is a wonderful choice. The measurements of the Coleman Road Trip 285 are 30.2 inches by 19.2 inches by 16.1 inches. This gas grill has a primary cooking area of 285 square inches and 3 burners that can deliver roughly 20,000 BTU per hour. This grill also includes an electrical ignition system, a cast iron and porcelain coated cooking surface, and it runs on liquid propane canisters. Pros of Coleman Road Trip 285: easy transportable. Setup is simple. Matchless lighting start with a push of a button. Cons of Coleman Road Trip 285: not as durable as a full-size barbecue. In comparison to full-size grills, it's under powder. On number 1, Weber 4401-0001. Weber is a well-known gas grill manufacturer, and they offer the Weber 4401-0001, which has 2 burners which provides 26,500 BTU per hour. Because it is 48 inches across and 27 inches deep, this gas grill is a compact design that is ideal for small settings. This gas barbecue has a cooking area of 360 square inches. Other benefits includes backyard probability, simple grease, maintenance and disposal, and fast propane tank access. Pros of this product: burner activities on their own. It's simple to maneuver. There are numerous accessories that may be purchased. Cons of this gas grill: it's difficult to move because it's not easily dismantled. BTUs are not particularly high. So guys, this was the video about the best gas grills. All the links are given in the description below. Do check them out. If you really enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like today. Thank you so much.